can I can smell the jam
In
the drawer.
what's the sentence?
I can smell the
Jam
jam in the
jar.
drawer. You smell the hot grass.
Can you smell the
hot grass?
cross do it again?
Buns.
Buns. And what is this at the end?
A question mark.
So what is the question? Can
Can you smell the hot cross
buns
buns?